Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, in the previous video we had discussed exercise 2.6. Now we will continue with exercise 2.7. Question 1. Fill in the blanks by observing the pattern. Here numbers are given: 200, 202, 204. Observe the pattern. There is skip of 2's. So we will skip 2 numbers: 206, 208, 210, 212. Next, here numbers are given: 510, 512, 514. Now observe this pattern. There is skip of 2 numbers. We will skip 2 numbers. What comes after 514 when we will skip 2 numbers? Yes, 516. What comes after 516? Yes, 518. What comes after 518 when we skip 2 numbers? Yes, 520. What comes after 520 when we skip 2 numbers? Yes, 522. Next, 711, 713, 715. Now students, observe this pattern. There is the skip of 2's. So what comes after 715 when we skip 2 numbers? Yes, 717. What comes after 717 when we skip 2 numbers? Yes, 719. What comes after 719 when we skip 2 numbers? Yes, 721. What comes after 721 when we skip 2 numbers? Yes, 723. Now, next, here the numbers are 862, 864. Now students, observe this pattern. There is a skip of 2's. What comes after 864 when we skip 2 numbers? Yes, 866. Next, 868, 870, 872, 874. Next, numbers are 410, 420. Now students, observe this pattern carefully. There is the skip of 10. When we skip 10 numbers, what will come after 420? Yes, 430. Skip 10 more numbers. 440. Skip 10 more numbers. 450. Skip 10 more numbers. 460. Skip 10 more numbers. 470. Next, numbers are 140, 138, 136. Now students, at this pattern, you will observe that we are having back counting. So we will move 2 units back, or we can say reverse. Let's start. What will come next 136 when we skip 2 numbers? 134. Skip 2 more numbers. 132. Skip 2 numbers. 130. Skip 2 numbers. 128. Next, numbers are 312 and 310. Now students, observe this pattern. There is the skip of 2's. So we will count backward what will come next after 310. We will skip 2 numbers. 308. Skip 2 numbers. 306. Skip 2 numbers. 304. Skip 2 numbers. 302. Skip 2 numbers. 300. Next, numbers are 799, 798. Now students, observe this pattern. There is skip of 1. What will come next? 797. Skip 1 number. 796. Skip 1 number. 795. Skip 1 number. 794. Skip 1 number. 793. Next, numbers are 870, 860. Now students, observe this pattern. There is skip of 10. What will come next? Yes, 850. Skip 10 numbers. 840. Skip 10 numbers. 830. Skip 10 numbers. 820. Skip 10 numbers. 810. Next, numbers are 907, 905. Observe this pattern. There is skip of 2's. What will come when we skip 2 numbers after 905? 903. Skip 2 numbers. 901. Skip 2 numbers. 899. Skip 2 numbers. 897. Skip 2 numbers. 895. Now students, you have to practice the same at home.